If you're planning to study in Germany, there's one financial requirement that can make or break your visa application, and most students get it wrong. It's called the blocked amount, or Sperrkonto in German. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how much you need in 2026, how to open it step by step, and, most importantly, which service provider is the best for you. Let's get into it. What is it? What is a blocked amount? Overlay showing monthly withdrawal concept. A blocked account, or Sperrkonto, is a special bank account required by German immigration authorities. It proves you have enough money to support yourself while living in Germany. Here's how it works. You deposit a lump sum before your visa appointment. Once you arrive in Germany, the money is released to you in fixed monthly installments. You cannot withdraw everything at once. It's released gradually, which is why it's called blocked. For 2026, the required amount is €11,904 per year. That's €992 every month for 12 months. This figure is set by Germany's BAföG reference rate and is accepted by all German embassies worldwide. Important, €11,904 is the amount that must arrive in your account, not the amount you send. Provider fees and transfer charges mean you will need to send slightly more. More on that shortly. Why needed? Why is it known? German immigration law requires every international student to prove financial stability before granting a student visa or residence permit. Without a valid blocked account confirmation letter, your visa will almost certainly be rejected. The only exceptions are students who have a full scholarship, like DAAD, or official government sponsorship covering all living expenses. For everyone else, this is non-negotiable. Providers. Best service providers, for 315. Now the most important part. Which provider should you choose? In 2026, the market is dominated by 3 players. Let me break them down. Expatrio, most popular, €149 per year, €89 setup plus €5 per month. Opens in approximately 24 hours, 13 plus language support. Insurance bundle option. Refund service fees if visa denied. Accepted by all German embassies. Fintiba. Premium. €278 per year, €159 setup plus €9.90 per month. Instant confirmation by credit card, feature-rich mobile app. Sutor Bank, German banking partner, 24/7 customer support. Most expensive option, Coracle budget, €99 per year, no setup fee model. Cheapest option available, opens in approximately 2 hours. Now backed by Fintiba's banking API. No mobile app, web portal only. Verify current availability before applying. My recommendation for most students, Expatrio. It hits the sweet spot. Affordable fees, fast processing, multi-language support, and the added security of fee refunds if your visa is rejected. If your embassy appointment is extremely urgent and you need account confirmation within hours, Fintiba's credit card option gives you instant confirmation. Pro tip. Always verify provider acceptance with your specific German embassy or consulate before opening. Requirements can occasionally vary by location. How to open. Step by step. How to open your blocked. The exact process. Follow these steps and you'll have your confirmation letter ready well before your visa appointment. 1. Go to your chosen provider's website, Expatrio, Fintiba, or Coracle, and create a free account. This takes about 10 minutes. 2. Complete your identity verification, KYC. You'll upload a copy of your passport. This is required by German banking regulations. 3. Once verified, you'll receive a unique IBAN, a German bank account number. This is where you'll transfer your blocked amount. 4. Transfer the required funds. For Expatrio, you'll send approximately €12,153 to cover the blocked amount plus fees and a buffer. Use a service like Wise for the best exchange rate on your transfer. 5. Once your funds arrive, usually within 2 to 5 business days, your provider issues a blocking confirmation letter, Sperrbestätigung. This is the document you submit with your visa application. 6. After arriving in Germany, activate your account and set up a local German bank account to receive your €992 monthly withdrawals. Start this process at least 4 to 6 weeks before your visa appointment. International transfers can take several working days, and you do not want delays at this stage. Button. And that's everything you need to know about opening a blocked amount for Germany in 2026. To recap, you need €11,904 minimum. Your best options are Expatrio for most students or Fintiba if you need instant confirmation. and you should start the process at least 4 to 6 weeks before your visa date. If this video saved you time or cleared up confusion, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more students who need this information. Drop your questions in the comments and I will answer every single one. If you want to see a full video on Germany visa documents, health insurance, or how to find accommodation before you arrive, let me know in the comments. Subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.